Buying multiple items. Sometimes items are sold as a group, and when you need to purchase multiple items, you can use the following formula. The number of cases needed is equal to the total amount needed divided by the number in one case. So, the word case is used to describe whatever grouping you have. Let's take a look at an example. A store sells 6 pop cans for $2.49. If you need to have 50 cans for a party, then how many 6-packs should you buy? So there's 50 people, and we get 6 cans for $2.49. So what we need is the total amount needed. We need 50 total, divided by the number in one case. Well, there's 6 in one case. So divide 50 by 6 using our formula, and we get the value 8.3 repeated. So it looks like we need 8 whole cases, but this is a remainder. We need more than 8 cases. And let's just think for a second what that means. If we have 8 packs, we could do 8 times 6, which is 48 cans. But that's less than 50, our total. So we should always have more than what is needed. So we have to go to 9 packs. 9 times 6 is 54 cans. And we're going to be buying more than we need, but it's better to have more than not enough. So I know that we are used to rounding, and we would say that this is rounding or closer to 8, but we're going to need 9 packs. All right. So 9 packs must be purchased to have enough cans. Let's try to apply this to this situation. A host is buying supplies for a party with 100 people attending. Each guest will need one of each item below. So there's pop cans, hot dogs, and buns sold at different prices and in different quantities. How many packages of each item are needed? So this is a good time to pause the video if you'd like to try to answer these questions on your own first, and then check your answer. How many packages of each item are needed? For pop cans, at $7.98 for 24 cans, what we need to focus on is the amount that is needed. We need 100, and we need to divide by the number of cans in one group, so 24 cans. And when we do that, we get 4.16 repeated, which is 4 whole cases plus a little bit more than of the next case. So we have to purchase 5 cases. For hot dogs, we do 100, the total number of people attending, divided by 6 to find out how many packages of hot dogs we need. And that is 16.6 repeated, which is approximately, or rounded up to 17 packages. Lastly, for the hot dog buns, there's still 100 people attending. That's the amount that is needed, divided by the amount in one package, which is 8, and we end up with 12.5. So 12 and a half packages. We have to buy the 13th package in order to be able to take that half from it. So now we have all of the amounts of each item that we need. Our next question says, determine the subtotal. Remember that the subtotal is the price without tax included. So we have 5 cases, and for each case we pay $7.98, so we can multiply 5 times $7.98. For the number of hot dogs, we have 17 packages. We can multiply that by the $3.59 per package. And then lastly, we're buying 13 bags of buns, so 13 times the price for 1 bag. That's summarized in this table. It's a way of organizing the information. And to get the subtotal, we need to add together the cost of these items. And we get $156.18. This subtotal is the price before taxes. If we have our subtotal and we're looking for our total, which is the price including taxes, we can multiply by the value 1.13. Because 1.13 does the following. Multiplying a number by 1 gives you this amount back, the subtotal, which is $156.18. But that decimal number gives an additional 13%, so a 13% increase from the subtotal, which is exactly the amount of HST, which is 13%. So multiplying 1.13 times the subtotal gives us our total 176.48.